it as we go. Okay, sit in any comfortable position. We will start with 3 chantings of Om. Then we do pranayam, and then we move on to do the postures. अच्छा, तो Om chanting में कैसे करेंगे हम? We inhale completely. पूरा inhale करना है, सारे फेफड़ों में हवा भरनी है. And then while exhaling, you chant Om and let it be loud. मन के मन में नहीं करना है. Let it be loud. Chant it. Okay. So we start. Put your hands on your knees. Palms can be open or you can do it in Dhyan Mudra. कैसे भी कर सकते हो. मुझे open hands ज़्यादा पसंद है. It feels like ज़्यादा energy absorb होती है. Eyes closed. Inhale completely and chant. Om. Now slowly open your eyes. And we start with Kapalbhati that we had done last time. तो जैसे मैंने पिछली बार भी बताया था, Kapalbhati is Kapal is your forehead and Bhati is shine. So with Kapalbhati, you basically the Shastras say that it brings glow on your face. और glow क्यों आता है? Because we are detoxifying. We are throwing out all the residual stale air that is in our lungs. How do we do Kapalbhati? I'll show once again. You can keep your hands straight or you can keep one hand on your stomach और keep एक हाथ यहाँ पे एक हाथ यहाँ पे, ठीक है? इसमें exhalation is active and inhalation is passive. So we have to only think about exhaling and exhaling with force. So it goes like this. You only exhale, you don't think about inhaling at all. वो खुद से होगा. The thing to be careful here is that you're not raising your shoulders at all. Shoulders stay firm. Only the stomach goes in. तो आप actually शुरुआत में कर रहे हो तो हाथ रख सकते हो and you see the feeling of it going in. ऐसे पूरा खींच रहा है अंदर पे. You have to feel that. उस तरीके से करना है. We will do 3 rounds. 2 rounds of 50-50 and the last round of 100. 50 मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically you do it 50 times continuously. At any point in time you want to stop, you can stop. No worries and start again. Okay, so whatever is your capacity, but we have to complete 50 rounds in one sitting. Okay. Okay, so we start. Inhale fully. Exhale slightly. And stop. Stop. Let your eyes remain closed. And you will see that when you stop, there will be a small pause in your breathing. Let that pause be. Don't push yourself to breathe. We do another round of 50. Inhale fully. Exhale partially. And then stop. and stay there. Last round, this time of 100. अच्छा, now 100 सबके लिए एक साथ possible नहीं होगा. So do whatever counts, stop and then start again. Okay, so do as per your capacity, but ensure you complete that 100 breathings. Even with breaks, that's no problem at all. Some people might be able to do it fast. Some people might do it slow. Any speed is fine. If you have blood pressure, then you ensure to do it slow. तभी बहुत तेज मत करिएगा. Blood pressure हो तो आराम से. Okay, inhale fully. Exhale partially. And start.
गर्दन में नहीं बोल में लाल लाल कुछ लगाइए कलर लगा लो यहाँ का कलर लगा ली है यहाँ का कलर लगा ली
Stop and stay. Kapalbhati in itself is a very holistic exercise. एक तो you might have seen कि जब third round हमने किया 100 वाला, it takes quite some effort. And if you actually extend this to say 5 minutes continuously, you actually start sweating. So it's a good exercise from a burnout, from an exercise point of view as well. And of course, it's a part of Shuddhi Kriya. So it cleanses your respiratory system. Cleanses your respiratory system, allows proper diffusion of oxygen into the blood, improves circulation, and it's the circulation then of pure oxygenated air that brings glow on your face. So this is the basic technique of Kapalbhati. कहते हैं कि कुछ ना कर सको ना और आपके पास सिर्फ 5 मिनट है दिन में, तो कपालभाति तो कर लो. कपालभाति, नाड़ी शोधन, ये दो चीजें आप करोगे और कुछ नहीं करोगे, that itself will already start having positive impact on your health. Okay, second we'll do नाड़ी शोधन. तो नाड़ी शोधन में कैसा करना है कि make this mudra. बेसिकली आपको थंब से आपका राइट नोस्ट्रिल क्लोज करना है, लेफ्ट से इनहेल करना है, फिर लेफ्ट को क्लोज करना है, राइट से एक्सहेल करना है. So this is Nadi Shodhan. Now you will see that this is similar to what people call Anulom Vilom. फर्क ये है कि अनुलोम विलोम goes into pranayam mode where you stretch your breathing and you hold your breathing. फिलहाल के लिए we are not doing that. We are only doing the detoxification, the Shuddhi Kriya, in which is Nadi Shodhan. तो नाड़ी शोधन में आप होल्ड नहीं कर रहे फिलहाल के लिए, you only you extend your inhaling and your exhaling. So in your head, we'll do 5 rounds, counting 4 each. So inhale on a count of 4, exhale on a count of 4. We'll do 5 of this, and then we'll do inhale on a count of 4 and exhale on a count of 8. One round is left से inhale, right से exhale, right से exhale, left से inhale. This is one round. ठीक है? So keep the count in your head. Do it on your own. ठीक है? Keep the counter in your head and do 5 rounds of 4 inhaling, 4 exhaling. Count of 4 inhaling, count of 4 exhaling. So you hold your hand like this. Thumb से right nostril बंद करो and start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale right. Exhale left. Now do the next 4 for your speed. Stop. Next 5 rounds we'll do with inhaling of 4 and exhaling of 8. Basically, हम जब normal सांसें लेते हैं, so it takes 2 seconds for one round, 2 seconds to inhale and 3 seconds to exhale. Typically, इतना time लगता है a normal steady breathing. Obviously, exhaling takes a lot more effort because it's working against the gravity. And when you do pranayama, you want to ensure that सारा stale air बाहर जा रहा है. So that's also the reason why usually your exhaling has to be longer as you move more towards pranayama. So we start, do the mudra and inhale 4, exhale 8. Start. Exhale. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. And continue. Stop and relax. Let your eyes stay closed and just continue to observe your breathing. And slowly open your eyes. Okay? अब आप पैर खोल दीजिए, whichever position you are sitting, just come out of it. Rotate your feet, both sides, आगे पीछे, and just sit in the dust. सिर्फ ऐसे बैठना है आपको, ensuring your back is straight and your palms are on the ground and you're just sitting straight. And continue to breathe. Okay. अब वापस पलाटी में आना है, but you have to ensure your one leg is on the top of other. तो जैसे कि मेरा left leg नीचे है, तो right leg का foot is on the thigh of my left leg. ठीक है, and of course the thigh of my right leg is on the foot of my left leg. Raise your hands, एकदम straight and move ahead. अब आगे ऐसे slouch नहीं करना है जो मैंने last time बताया. You keep your hands straight and just move ahead. जितना आगे जा पाते हो आप. This is a bit of a hip opener. If you can touch your feet, your head to the ground, even better. If not, जहाँ पर हो ठीक है. Maybe I do it like this. and slowly come. अब आपका ये जो पैर है which is on the top, cross it across. तो ये ऐसे आ जाएगा. This is the position for Gomukasa. So basically your knees are on the top of banana. जितना होता है आप देखो, ठीक है. This is the final position, but इतना जब नहीं जाता है still no problem. Just ensure this is the position and your back is straight. From here we will do hands of Garudasana. So sometimes what happens is हम बैठे बैठे रहते हैं तो हमारा जो shoulders है वो बहुत tight हो जाते हैं. So what we will do now is to open up our shoulders a little bit. Okay. So push your hands at the back and bring them across. तो जैसे आपका left जो right hand है, जो leg आपका right leg है, और वो hand that goes across. So just cross it like this and hold it there. Then again open and again the same thing. Again open and again the same thing. ठीक है? We'll do 5 rounds of opening and doing the Garudasana hand push. Open and twist. 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 Now hold this position and breathe करते करते turn back थोड़ा सा. Come back in the front. Twist towards the right. Front. Twist towards the left. Front. And जितना आगे जा सके. And now what we do is Gomukasana again to open up the shoulders a little bit. इसमें कैसे करना है कि आपका जो right hand है, your right leg is across your left leg, right? So right hand को उठाना है, पीछे डालना है and left hand से right hand को पकड़ना है. So it is like this. ठीक है. But अगर ये नहीं होता है तो no problem. जितना होता है, just अगर आप इतना करोगे तो भी बहुत है. Just do it this much. इतना होता है ठीक है, इतना होता है ठीक है. अगर ये भी नहीं हो रहा है, then just do it with both your hands like this. ये भी ठीक है. Even this is very good. Essentially, we are trying to open up our chest. Whenever you open up your chest, you are giving more space to your lungs to breathe. So opening chest, always inhale. It will happen automatically. कुछ करना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. But be just aware that you are opening up your chest, and you will feel that you're breathing better. So just do like this. जिससे होता है, do the one hand Gomukasana. So basically hold your left hand with your right hand, look straight. इसमें slouch ना हो वो ध्यान रखो, और एकदम ऐसे reverse curve भी ना हो. Keep straight and look straight and continue to breathe. Extremely good for, of course, your chest and your shoulders and your arms. And release. अभी जैसे ये साइड करा है, we do it on the other side. So first the Palati. Just ensure your left foot is on your right thigh, and your right thigh, knee, whatever is on your left, your left thigh or your knee is on your right. Hands straight up and without slouching, move again. So this opens your hip as well as it's good for your back. You are stretching your entire back here. जितना होता है उतना आगे जाइए आराम से and continue to breathe. Slowly walk back up. और जैसा इस तरफ किया, we do it on this side. So now the right leg is under the left leg. You cross it, जितना होता है, back straight, and जो हमने ये मूवमेंट किया था गरुड़ासन हैंड पोजीशन का, वो अलग साइड होगा. So this time your right hand, your left hand goes underneath your left. ठीक है. So we do again 5 rounds. Open and twist. Open, twist. Open, twist. Open, twist. Last one. Open, twist and stay there. By the way, ये जो पकड़ते हैं, this also helps the back. Sometimes back tight हो गई, so this helps open up the back, stretch the back muscles as well. Okay, so look back. आगे to the right. आगे to the left. आगे and in the front, जितना जा सके. And come back. Release your hands, release your legs. We'll do Baddha Konasana. Achha, one thing, I just got a message from Zoom that it might not extend beyond 40 minutes. तो अगर ये बीच में कट जाता है ना, so you guys hang on. I will send another link. I will immediately make another meeting and send it so we can finish the 1 hour session in case this stops. Okay. So Baddha Konasana. अच्छा, Baddha Konasana में कैसा है? आपको दोनों आपके जो feet है वो एकत्रित करना है. Now मेरे इतने हो रहे हैं, but this after years of practice. Okay. तो जरूरी नहीं है इतना होगा, शायद इतना होगा, शायद इतना होगा, इतना होगा, जितना भी होगा इट्स फाइन. ऐसे रहेंगे, शायद ये भी नीचे भी जाएगा, ये ऐसे रहेंगे, दैट इज आल्सो फाइन, व्हिचएवर इज कंफर्टेबल विद लिटिल बिट ऑफ पेन. सो हमेशा से थोड़ा सा अधिक आपको प्रेशर आए वैसे करिए, प्रेशर यहाँ पूरा आएगा. सो वेरेवर यू आर होल्ड इट, योर बैक स्टे स्ट्रेट, स्लाउच नहीं करना है, स्ट्रेट, एंड वी डू बटरफ्लाई. ओके, इससे आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग्स, आपके हिप्स, बोथ मसल्स, पेल्विक एरिया का पूरा बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सरसाइज हो जाता है. So just do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now people who are able to do this properly, थोड़ा सा flexibility है, यहाँ पकड़ के आगे जाइए. This is a deeper stretch for your back, if you can do. और जिसका यहाँ पकड़ के नहीं हो रहा है, वो लोग ऐसे हाथ भी स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं. Just stretch it out a little bit. And come up, release, and stand up. So abhi tak we've done very simple halka बैठ के. What we'll do now is we'll warm up our body a little bit. So we'll start with sit-ups, जो हम दंड बैठक बोलते हैं, ठीक है. So again we'll do 5-5 and we'll break it up. First 5 will be simple. So जितना आपका mat distance है उतना भी नहीं, lesser than that, half of that you stand with your legs apart and just go down. हाथ सीधा रहेगा and go down. So 1, you see this, ठीक है. मेरा कई बार कैसा होता है कि bend and ऐसे जाता है, ऐसा नहीं करना है. Your back stays straight. जितना जा सको आप, इतना जाओ, इतना जाओ, इतना जाओ, I don't care, but back has to be straight. So 1 and up. 2 and up. 3 up. 4 up. 5. अब यहाँ होल्ड करिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Come. Now we'll go a little deeper in this, ठीक है? जिससे होता है, if this itself was a little tough, तो यही वापस 5 बार करो. But those who could do it very simply, थोड़ा सा और नीचे जाएंगे, जैसे वो ये वाला बैठ होता है. So we'll do 1 and 2 and so basically going down all the way. Again, इसमें जितना होता है, अगर आपका ऐसा हो रहा है, then don't do. Then जहां तक आपका बैक स्ट्रेट रह रहा है उतना ही करिए. And even this knees मेरा भी थोड़ा आगे आ रहा है, but ideally इतना भी आगे नहीं आना चाहिए. So 1, हाँ 2 हो गया ना, 3, 4, 5, and sorry 1. Just stay wherever you are. And come on. So this actually sit-ups, हमारे जितने भी traditional दंड बैठक, push-ups, दंड ये सारे they are actually very 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 good for working out in general. Okay, so today we will do some balance postures. Especially if you're trying to work on your stress, if you're trying to work on concentration, then doing some of these balancing poses is very very important. So we do the easy ones जितना होता है सबसे. One is the usual one, ताड़ासन, जो सबको आता है. So feet slightly apart. Raise your hands. ऐसे fingers को interlace करके ऊपर लाना है. Look straight at any point in front of you and come up on your toes. Continue to breathe. Breathing बंद नहीं करना है. Stretch as much as you can. ऐसे जैसे ऊपर से कोई खींच रहा है ना, वैसे आपको फील होना चाहिए. And we do it one more time. Interlace your fingers and hands up. Stretch all the way up. Imagine your hands are tied to a string and the string is pulling you up. Now raise your right knee and bring it as close as possible to your chest. Yes. अच्छा, अब जो ऐसे आपने पकड़ा है, try and hold your toe. ठीक है? Your hand is on your waist, your left hand is on your waist. You hold your toe. Now, for whoever it's possible, stretch it out a little bit. होता है तो ठीक है, नहीं होता है तो even bend leg is no problem. ठीक है? It's better than what we always do, right? So stretch it out and look straight. And if you're comfortable in this position, extend your hand out. So it's like this. It's balance and strength building. Excellent. Bring it back and see if you can open it to the side now. Side में होता है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो आप ऐसे करोगे तो भी चलेगा. ठीक है, as much as you can. Bring up it, just आपका हुआ था. Now leave your leg. Just hold it as you and raise your hands. And you will see कि थोड़ा सा ना इसमें पसीना भी छूटता है. Because it takes effort. It takes a lot more effort even mentally than what we think it really do. So same thing, we do it with the left side. Knees up your chest. Hold your toe and extend it out. अगर होता है तो open on the other side. Open your hand on the other side. थोड़ा नी बेंड भी होगा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. I have the advantage of being short, इसलिए हाथ पैर पकड़ना आसान है.
ये तुमसे होगा.
कौन गार्गी कर रही है?
नहीं अमी है. ये तो ऐसे सीधा कर, मेरा तो हाथ यहाँ तक आ रहा, वहां तक तो बहुत चाहिए.
क्या? ये फिर सीधा. अभी नहीं, हमने सीधा किया ना ऑलरेडी. अभी साइड में जितना होता है. हाँ, मेरा भी रुक भी जाता है. Bring it to the front and balance it. And exhale. अब थोड़ा सा पैरों को एक्सटेंड कर दीजिए. हमने लास्ट टाइम भी किया था, ये त्रिकोणासन है. So open your right side out. Your left foot is inside, your right foot is out. Open your arms and stretch. Stretch out on the right side and go down. Stretch करके नीचे जाना है, सीधा ऐसे नहीं जाना. Stretch करके नीचे, जहां तक आप जा सकते हो. अब यहां तक जाते हो तो भी ठीक है, यहां तक जाते हो तो भी ठीक है, यहां जाते हो तो भी ठीक है. Ensure your hand is up straight and you look up towards your hand wherever you are. Continue to breathe. And try and keep your legs straight, this one. Slowly come. इसी तरीके से, इसी पोजीशन में your leg is outside. Twist around, facing your foot. Interlace your fingers पीछे and keeping your legs straight. Bend over your leg. अब किसी का इतना होता है, जितना भी होता है, that's not a problem. All the way अगर नीचे जाके if you can touch your head on the knee, great. नहीं होता है तो भी this is great. और हाथ का भी ध्यान रखो, जितना आपका हैंड फ्लेक्सिबल है उतना ऊपर जाएगा, पर अगर इतना जाता है तो उतना भी ठीक है. Just figure out how much your body allows you. Come back up slowly. Same position, you just twist सीधा, your waist safe. Again, open your hands and we'll do a twist this time. तो पहले साइड किया, फिर आगे किया. अभी try and go all the way back. तो अब ये कैसे होगा? Same position, the left foot is facing सीधा, right foot is facing outside. यहां से you first turn. ऐसे. अब टर्न करके how much ever your waist allows you, either you turn and go all the way across and leg को cross करके आपका palm नीचे रखो and turn around. This is the final position. But अगर इतना नहीं होता है, only this much is fine. So just put your left hand by your right foot. That is also fine. उतना नहीं होता है, सिर्फ इतना होता है, that is also fine. Which how much ever your body allows you. Basically, you have to feel the twist in your waist. Okay, so position, turn around, and then go forward and bend. Your पीछे वाला left hand stays straight and look up towards your hand. And slowly come back up. इसमें final positions tough लगते हैं थोड़े, but you don't have to go to the final position all the way, है ना? This is after many years. So how much ever your body allows you, it will always be a little more than what we usually do. So that's absolutely fine. Okay. Now we do the same thing on the other side. Your left foot opens out, right foot is facing inside. Palms open and Trikonasana. Stretch towards the left and go down and look up. आपको पूरा यहाँ के टॉप फिंगर से नीचे तक स्ट्रेच हो ये फील होना चाहिए and of course side. Continue to breathe. And come up. Interlace your fingers at the back. Turn and bend. And come up. Seema. Now twist. This is our left heart twist. So hands straight, pehle palm open. And then turn around. जितना होता है और जितना आपका ट्विस्ट हुआ वहां से go forward and touch down. So touch down and then look up towards your left hand. And slowly come back up. Excellent. Bring your feet together. और आपके मैट के एंड की तरफ खड़े रहिए, not in the front. So in the end, yeah. Raise your hands up, stretch them out, and bend forward. Padhastasana. अच्छा, अब इसमें आपके knees थोड़े bend में होते हैं तो no problem. The point is you have to touch your hands to the ground with your back straight, no slouch, so straight back. And इसमें थोड़े से आपके legs bend होते हैं, knees bend होते हैं, it's perfectly okay. Continue to breathe. Continue to breathe. Raise your hands and come down in sitting position. So on your knees. हमने जो last time भी किया था, we'll do Mayurasana, sorry, Ushtrasana, the camel pose. जो मैंने last time भी कहा था कि this depend, if you have back का बहुत ज़्यादा pain या hernia, then ये वाला मत करो. But otherwise ये सब कर सकते हैं. Final position is going all the way back and holding your heels or your ankles. But if that is not available to you, आप हाथ यहाँ पर रखकर पेश पे रख के सिर्फ बेंड कर सकते हो. This is great. अगर और थोड़ा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है तो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि अच्छा एक साइड से मैं कर सकती हूँ, that's also fine. So do it from one side and then do it on the other side. But if your body is allowing you, then come all the way with me. Okay. So एक हाथ पीछे, hold your ankle or your heel, दूसरा हाथ पीछे and look back. Slowly come up. This is extremely good for your abdominal muscles, of course for your lungs. As I said, जब भी lungs open होते हैं, जब भी chest open होती है, you breathe properly. So people with asthma, this is very good. Also आपने feel किया होगा यहाँ पे आपको pressure आता है neck के कारण. Your thyroid is here. So also good for people who have thyroid, and in general, thyroid is working on the thyroid is important for your metabolism. So bringing that pressure, that massaging on your thyroid always helps. So this is a very, very effective. This is called one of the Mahaprabhavi asanas. Okay. Sit in Vajrasana. और अभी ये पूरा ये थोड़ा डीप बैक बेंड है, so we always counter it with a forward bend. जो लास्ट टाइम भी हमने किया था योग मुद्रा, वज्रासन योग मुद्रा, तो ये मुट्ठी बांधो, put it by the side of your navel, so navel की दोनों तरफ, वहां पे थोड़ा सा प्रेशर देके बेंड फॉरवर्ड जितना हो सकता है. Let the मुट्ठी मसाज your abdominal area. Come back up. Raise your hands and just lie down on your stomach. आपके पांव एक साथ होंगे and your arms are by your armpits. Your palms are by your armpits. Now pushing your palms on the ground, come up, भुजंगासन. जैसे मैंने पिछली बार भी कहा था, भुजंगासन में आप अपने नेवल तक उठोगे, not all the way like this. So your hands are still bent and you're just looking up your knee. Continue to breathe. Extremely good for your back. Also good for digestion. Constipation है, ये जिसको हो गया उसके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. And come down. हाथों को थोड़ा आगे करके, this time come up all the way. This is Sarpasana. Now just turn your neck, और कोई भी पार्ट नहीं टर्न होगा, सिर्फ नेक टर्न होगा. And look from one side, right या left, जो भी आपने करा. Try to look over your shoulder, but your shoulders, arms, hands, nothing twists, only the neck twists. This is a very sukshma twist to your back, although you're not twisting it directly. Look at the front and on the other side. Come back down. Come up. Stretch out your lower back. This is a form of Mandukasana. And come in sitting Utkatasana. Utkatasana chair pose भी होता है, but this is also Utkatasana. So आप देखो. Either you sit like this. So your hips, your buttocks are on your heels. This is one. अब इतना नहीं होता है तो ये इतना होगा, चलेगा, no problem. Try and ensure आपका back सीधा है, ठीक है? या अगर आपको और flexibility है, if your pelvic area, if your hamstrings allow, you can do Malasana. पीछे. Again इसमें ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे. Again this is opening up your pelvic area. For women, especially periods issues वगैरह, उनके लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा आसन. Of course for constipation, पूरे abdominal area के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. So either this or this, whichever was available to you. Now again go back. Sorry, you're like this, right? Put your hands down and just come up again. And slowly walk your hands in the front. अब यहाँ से come into Dandasana, plank pose. मेरे हर सेशन में plank तो होता ही है, because plank is extremely good to strengthen your back. Back pain हो, stomach issues हो, कुछ भी हो, there is no better exercise than plank to strengthen your core. अभी ध्यान रखना है, ऐसे नहीं, या ऐसे भी नहीं, it's like this. So it's a neutral back. एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट सप्त अष्ट नव and dasha. Come on your forearms. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, and dasha. Now what do? Twist on one side. You can bring your hand again and you can keep your other hand here. So this is a side twist. Very good for your flank muscles. अब अगर ये आसानी से होता है, you can put your leg up and then stretch. ये भी आसानी से होता है, open your hand and look up. We do only 5 counts. एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, and पंच. Excellent. Come back and on the other side. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, and panch. Come back and okay. I know everybody is sweating, so just take a breather here. पाँव को थोड़ा सा space देके, palms on one another. Look any one side, close your eyes and just rest for like 10 seconds. Okay. Now come back. अच्छा, अब हमें करना है धनुरासन. Because धनुरासन is another महाप्रभाव्यासन. तो धनुरासन के लिए final position, as most of you might already know, it's like you fold your knees, hold your ankles, and stretch out. ठीक है? This is the final position. But if this is not available yet, to get there, what we will do is एक side करेंगे. So एक हाथ आप यहाँ आगे रख दीजिए. So we are doing it on the left side first. So your elbow of your right hand is down here, and what you do is you hold your left leg with your right hand here. So just यहाँ पे heel से होता है तो heel से, नहीं तो यहाँ करोगे तो यहाँ पे, and then push up. Just one side. Just this much. एक बार धनुरासन. Same thing on the other side. So your left hand elbow is on the ground, touching the floor. You holding your right hand, your right ankle with your right hand, and come up. और आप देखो ये मेरा हाथ भी रेज हो रहा है, no problem. You are giving yourself support to come up. Continue to breathe. And release. फुल धनुरासन को नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे. We will do reverse नौकासन. तो इसमें आप कैसे करोगे? You are down. मुट्ठी बांध के हाथ को पीछे रखो कमर के ऊपर. Okay. Legs together. And एक साथ raise your chest, your neck as well as your feet. अभी जितना हो, ये इतना होता है तो भी ठीक है, ये इतना होता है तो भी ठीक है. Just continue to breathe, holding it. Release. You do this one more time. Extremely good for both back and your abdominal area, digestion हो, कुछ भी हो. fat in this area. Very good for that. Once again, come up, हाथ back पे and push up. And release. Rest 5 seconds. Okay. Okay. And come up and downward. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, catch your breath here. And come in Dandasana. Let me check the time. अब यहां से जैसा हमने लास्ट टाइम किया था, raise your legs. So basically we want to do Naukasana, which is this way. ठीक है, ये होता है तो you stand in this position, you sit in this position, or you be in this position, whichever comes easily to you. ठीक है. So एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, and dash. And go down. You lie down properly on your back. Your arms or your hands are by your side. Palms on the ground, facing on the ground. Yeah. Up, raise one leg up. And then raise another leg up. Now from here, if you want, put your hands under your neck to support your neck and come up into the. अब हम थोड़ा सा crunches करेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay, we do 10 crunches. 1, एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, and hold it. And release. So release में सिर्फ neck release करना है, not yet legs. अच्छा, अब legs में bring your right leg down. If you want, you can release your hands. Then cross. Scissors. द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, and dash. Again bring up and slowly bring it down. Excellent. अब यहाँ से bring your feet by your buttock. We will do Setu Bandhasana, another Mahaprabhavi asana. Very good for back, for thyroid, for chest, and of course for the other hamstring and back. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे या तो आप अपने ankles को पकड़िए, heels को पकड़िए, या फिर just push your palms on the ground, yeah? And pushing your palms on the ground or holding, bring up your back. अच्छा, अब इस पोजीशन में जिससे जितना होता है, but if you think you need support, तो आप support भी दे सकते हो. अगर support नहीं चाहिए, तो just hold your ankles and continue to breathe. Come down. We do one more time. So come up again and continue to breathe. जितना आपका ये पटक ऊपर जा रहा है, जितना बैक ऊपर जा रहा है, ट्राई एंड डू दैट. And down. Release your legs. Bring your right leg. इसको आप ऐसे पकड़ लीजिए. ठीक है, अंगूठे से. और कुछ नहीं करना है, स्ट्रेच वेच कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ पकड़ना है. ये एक पकड़ा, फिर ये दूसरा. It's called बाढ़ क्रीड़ासन. हैप्पी बेबी जिसे कहते हैं, बाढ़ क्रीड़ासन. जैसे बच्चे खेलते हैं, है ना, बस इतना है. आपको चाहिए तो रोटेट करिए एक साइड से दूसरी साइड. This is a very relaxing position. It's actually a very happy position. So जो हमारा अभी हमने बैक को रिवर्स कर्व किया था, वो भी स्ट्रेंथन हो जाएगा. पेल्विक एरिया पे आज हमने बहुत काम किया है, तो वो भी ओपन हो जाएगा एंड रिलैक्स भी हो जाएगा. Excellent. Now bring your legs together. Release. पैरों के बीच कुछ स्पेस रखिए. हाथ जमीन पर with your palms facing the ceiling. Turn on any one side. Basically leg को कहीं पर रखिए and go in Shavasana. So just stay there. Stay in Shavasana. Some of you might be feeling a little bit of pain in your hamstrings, your pelvic area, because we've pushed